Hi everybody, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and seed beads. And in this video you will see how to crochet simple cord with seed beads. That could be perfect for beginners. As I told you before, I will thread seed beads onto the working yarn. For this you need sewing needle, ball of yarn and seed beads. I take simple sewing needle, put the working yarn through the sewing needle. Here how it looks. I remind you I'm working with 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. I take my seed beads, with the needle go through the seed beads like this. For more information, please visit the description of each video tutorial about the tools, useful links, and other tools. With the needle, take seed beads and put it through the needle and through the yarn. Here how it looks on my yarn. For this project you can use any color of yarn or leftovers, it depends on your cord. And here how it looks in another color of yarn. Please don't be afraid to experiment to create your personal project. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord, make a chain. I will not use it. I pull it, take seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. I take 4 seed beads. My working yarn is behind the work. Make a chain. Turn the work. Make chain of 2. Take 4 seed beads. Yarn over the hook, make a chain with 4 seed beads. Turn the work. Make chain of 2. I have done 2 segments. I will not repeat them. And now I show you how to crochet my segments that I will repeat each time. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook between second and the third seed bead. Make treble crochet. Pull it. Take 4 seed beads. Yarn over the hook, make a chain with 4 seed beads. Chain of 2. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook between 2 seed beads. Make treble crochet. It is very easy to make. Take 4 seed beads. Make a chain with 4 seed beads. Turn the work, chain of 2. Yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet between 2 seed beads. Here what I have at this point. Let's make more segments. Take seed beads. I take 4 seed beads, make a chain with seed beads. Turn the work, chain of 2. Yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. So you don't need special skills, you just need to know how to work with basic stitches. Take 4 seed beads. Turn the work, chain of 2, and make treble crochet. Take 4 seed beads, make chain with 4 seed beads, turn the work, chain of 2, and make treble crochet. Let's make more segments. Make chain with 4 seed beads, turn the work, chain of 2, and treble crochet between 2 seed beads. So continue working as many times as you need for your cord. Then I will show you how to complete this cord. Once I have done my cord, and now I show you how to complete this cord with me. Once I have done the last treble crochet, turn the work, yarn over the hook twice, between 2 seed beads, make treble crochet. Well done. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff or the jewelry. Or you can remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I'm done. It is very simple and unusual cord, then you can make only for 10 minutes. For this project you just need to know how to work with treble crochet, chains and slip stitches. So it could be perfect for beginners. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. Such cord could be perfect to create bracelet, necklace, belt, choker or cord for any decoration. For this cord I am using cotton yarn. In your case it could be favorite kind of yarn and your crochet hook. This is double-sided cord. Here how it looks on my hand. If you don't like seed beads, please visit my YouTube channel and you can find a lot of video tutorials in different techniques and large projects such as crochet baby shoes, cardigans, blouse, and another kind of clothes. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't be afraid to experiment, to create your personal project. See you next time and bye!